As someone born and raised in the United States who went through the American school system and breathed the air of American culture my whole life, I am racist. There is no way that I could have possibly have avoided it. The difference between myself, who can say openly, I'm not proud of it, that I am racist, and folks like this who leave comments and think this way, is that I am actively doing something to deconstruct the racist beliefs and biases that have been ingrained in my brain from childhood against my will, so that I no longer have these racist beliefs and biases, and then it informs my behaviors when I interact with people, when and if I have systemic power over a situation. That's what it means to be an anti-racist, or to attempt to be an anti-racist, is that we recognize that we learned racist beliefs and we are actively going out of our way to unlearn them, because that is something that is possible. Just as we learned these racist beliefs and biases, we are capable of unlearning them, especially as adults with fully functioning brains and critical thinking. I also will note this so they don't say that you're racist. The idea being is that I am doing this as a performance so that Black people won't call me racist. I am not doing any of this, my videos, the internal work, for the benefit of Black people, even though I hope it does benefit Black people. Of course, they are my siblings in humanity, but also because white supremacy and internalized racism and internalized anti-Black racism in particular harms me. It harms us who have internalized it. If we are the kind of people who want to see a world where everyone is treated with respect and dignity, then this is the work that we have to do. It's not just advocating for our own people like us to be treated with respect and dignity and to not be treated in a biased manner or a prejudiced manner, but also making sure that we are doing the unlearning work so that we are not harming others, whether intentionally, God forbid, or unintentionally, which is more likely to happen.